Hello there. During the COVID lockdown here in New Zealand at present, I have been doing bits and pieces in my art room, not a lot, but I've been doing a bit of experimenting with colours and things and just generally relaxing with the camera off. So today I thought it was time I turned the camera on again to do another video for my YouTube channel. And I've decided I want to do a pour today over a bottle bottom, which I have wedged onto a cup that I've cut off so that it is reasonably flat. I'm not quite sure how the lip is going to affect the outcome, so that will be interesting to see. And I'm just going to pop it into the middle of my piece of signboard here, onto which I have already put a coating of Prussian blue. And the colours I'm intending on using today are DecoArt Extreme Sheen 24 karat gold, DecoArt Extreme Sheen Berry Rouge, and JazzArt Buttermilk. And those three colours will form my pattern, and over that then I am going to put a piece of damp table napkin and to do the reverse dip, lift it off and see what I can get. So I'll get started now. Well, I've let that sit for just a little while to make sure all the colours are down. It's on a lovely lean, which doesn't really bother me because I don't expect any of this type of artwork to be perfect. It's just my interest is in the final result. So I'm going to take off my bottle bottom, and then I'm going to pop some colours into the middle of it, or a colour possibly, I'm not sure which, and then use one of my chopsticks to make patterns in the paintwork before I put my piece of table napkin over it. That is very pretty. Just so pleased I only did the one layer of gold. As I was lifting it, of course, my centre moved slightly, so I'm now going to try and bring my centre back with a pipette. Just suck the paint up into it and bring it down so that it comes back more into a central looking piece of the flower or pattern, which I like to pretend looks a bit like a flower. And I just suck that paint up and, yep, don't want the bubble coming out, do I? And hope that that is going to look a little bit more like I want the centre of the flower to look like. So now I'm going to use my torch. You can see the Extreme Sheen Gold has already started making a little bit of nice edging on the flower. And so this will just get rid of some of the bubbles and give it a bit more edging, which I'm also noticing that the berry colour from Extreme Sheen has given a little bit of it as well, which adds to it and makes it look really, really pretty. So that'll do for that. And I'll just get my gloves on, and actually I probably don't even need my gloves. I will just bring this picture up closer to the light now for you to have a look at. So I'm very pleased I used the buttermilk with the berry colour, because, and quite a bit of it. You may have noticed when I was doing the paint pouring over that cut bottom that my paints were actually quite thick. Well, not really thick, but they were certainly thicker than what I normally use. When I'm doing a bottle bottom pour, I tend to go for a runnier mix of the paints, because then you get a better spread, and I find it also lifts better when you are using a paper napkin. But this time I decided to have a go at it with just the slightly thicker paint, including the gold, which I normally have fairly thin as well. So I'm very pleased with the way that has come out. It's just incredibly pretty, and I'm very happy with the outcome of my painting today. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.